How to fix Valorant update stack problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here background apps. Now click on it and then just make sure to disable the first option here, and after that try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC and before launching Valorant again, just type here apps and features. Here we'll find it. Now just uh, now uninstall all the applications that you don't need, like all the applications and something like that, to free up some space. And if you are sure that you have enough space to install Valorant, then just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.